What is a flamboyance? Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? Flamingos are known for their vibrant pink color and their graceful appearance, but did you know that they travel in groups called flamboyances? These groups can consist of hundreds or even thousands of flamingos and are typically found in shallow water areas such as lakes, lagoons, and estuaries. Flamboyances are not just for socializing, they also serve as protection against predators. What was the shortest war in history? The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896, and it lasted just 38 minutes. On August 27, 1896, a dispute over who would succeed the Sultan of Zanzibar led to a conflict between Britain, which favored one candidate, and Zanzibar, which supported another. The British forces quickly overwhelmed the Zanzibari defenders, who were no match for the technologically superior British weapons. The war ended just 38 minutes after it began, making it the shortest recorded war in history. More moves of chess than Adam? There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. Chess is a game of strategy that has been played for centuries. The number of possible moves in a game of chess is so vast that it has been estimated that there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. This means that if every atom in the universe were a chess game, there would still not be enough atoms to represent all the possible iterations of the game. What is the only muscle that is attached at only one end? The tongue is the only muscle in the human body that is attached at only one end. The tongue is a remarkable muscle that plays an important role in speech and eating. Unlike most muscles in the human body, which are attached at both ends to bones or other muscles, the tongue is only attached at one end. This allows it to move around freely, making it an incredibly versatile muscle. Where can you not blow your nose in public? In Japan, it is considered impolite to blow your nose in public. In Japanese culture, it is considered impolite to blow your nose in public. Instead, people will sniffle discreetly or use a handkerchief to wipe their nose. This cultural norm is believed to have originated from a desire to avoid drawing attention to oneself or causing discomfort to others. What is a group of ferrets called? A group of ferrets is called a business. Ferrets are small, furry animals that are often kept as pets. When ferrets gather in groups, they are known as a business. This is thought to have originated from the fact that ferrets were once used to hunt rabbits and other small prey, and were thus considered a valuable asset in the business of hunting. What is a banana? Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. While you might think that a strawberry is a berry and a banana is a fruit, the opposite is actually true. Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single ovary, while a strawberry develops from multiple ovaries. Conversely, a banana is a berry because it develops from a single ovary. Do you want to be a cow's best friend? Cows have best friends and get stressed when they are separated. Cows are social animals that form close bonds with one another. Research has shown that cows have best friends and can become stressed when they are separated. When cows are separated from their best friends, they exhibit signs of stress such as increased heart rate and cortisol levels. In addition, cows are known to form social hierarchies within their herds, with dominant cows often leading the group and making decisions about where to graze and rest. What food never spoils? Honey never spoils. Honey is a sweet, viscous liquid that is produced by bees. One of the most interesting things about honey is that it never spoils. This is because honey has a very low water content and high sugar content, which makes it difficult for bacteria to grow. In addition, bees add an enzyme called glucose oxidase to the honey, which produces hydrogen peroxide when the honey comes into contact with water. This hydrogen peroxide has antimicrobial properties, which also helps to prevent spoilage. As a result, honey can be stored for years without going bad, although it may crystallize over time. If this happens, The honey can be easily liquefied by gently heating it in a warm water bath. These are just a few of the many interesting and unusual facts out there. Keep learning and exploring, and who knows what you might discover next.